How to delete a blank page in Google Docs. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete a blank page in Google Docs. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Google Docs. So let me just open up a Google Doc. It's right here. And after you open up a Google Doc, what you can do is, let's say that I have a lot, different extra pages. So let me just expand this to 50%. Okay, so what I can do is I can keep hitting enter and it will take me to new pages like this. So I have 3 pages right now. And if I want to delete a page, what I can do is I can just head over to a page, right click on it. Now, normally you should see a delete option on the right click button. After you tap on delete, it should get deleted. But if that does not work in your case, what you can do is after you're on a blank page, make sure that you select everything here. And after you select everything, you can simply hit backspace. After you hit backspace, hit it once again. And after you do that, as you can see, the page is now reduced. All you have to do is select your blank page like this to a little point of your previous page and then hit a backspace. Doing that, it'll simply remove your blank space and you're good to go. And it's that simple now. You can add another blank page if you want to by simply tapping on enter, and you can simply remove it by tapping backspace. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to App Hacks and also stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye, take care.